On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be covering the OSHA Color Codes, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
On today's episode, we're going to be covering OSHA's color codes. Now, with many of the other episodes that we do, we're not going to go into this in depth, but we are going to cover two of the major colors that are going to affect you the most. And these colors can be found in a stoplight or in major safety signs, and that is red and yellow. Now, when you see the color yellow, it means that you need to be cautious or you need to prepare to stop. It's going to be no different with the OSHA color code. Now, the one that we want you to be just absolutely aware of is red. Red means caution. It means stop. It means do not enter. And that is going to be something that's going to be the same as a stoplight or a sign that you would see like a stop sign. It means that you need to immediately pay attention. Now, with all of the colors that are in the OSHA color codes, all you have to do is go to OSHA.gov and you'll be able to find all of the different color codes. But the two, the red and the yellow that we just covered, be absolutely observant of those two colors because they're of the utmost importance. It could be anything ranging from a small incident to death in the workplace and affect you and your coworkers. So just absolutely be aware of yellow and red in the workplace because unfortunately in places that we work every day, those colors can become almost invisible to us. And so it's of, again, the utmost importance that you pay attention to those two colors because we want you to stay safe, and observing those two colors are going to be a great start. So until next time, here's a word from one of our sponsors.
You want an organized workspace. You want a safe and efficient way to lay out your shop or warehouse. But it takes forever to mask and paint the floor lines, only to watch them fade and smear and have to do it all over again. The solution? Mighty Line Tape. Mighty Line floor tape is simply the most durable floor tape available. It's 7 times thicker than most other floor tapes. It's beveled on the edges so it can handle an army of forklifts. And it comes up anytime with no scraping and no residue. Why mess with the mess and the fumes of floor paint when Mighty Line has the rolls, shapes, colors, and signs that fall right in line with 5S standards? There's a place for everything, and everything has its place. That's why we're here. There's only one American-made Mighty Line tape, the only durable stripe.
You can find the show notes to each episode, links to information mentioned on the vodcast, the social media platforms we're on, and anything else related to the vodcast at warehousesafetytips.com. And if you want to catch our podcast and or request a sample pack of Mighty Line, visit mightylinetape.com/safety tips. Thank you for watching Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.